Hi everyone, Andrea here from Nexttools Dev Team, and in today's video we are going to see how to apply custom discount but only on a specific POS. Because right now with Shopify functions, you cannot specify on which POS you want to apply your discount. So let's say you have a situation where you want to apply an automatic discount, but you do not want it to run on all the POS you have or running only on specific location ID. That you can do it using SupaEasy plus AttributePro. And now I'm going to show you how to do it using these two apps that we built, where practically what we do is set a cart attribute using AttributePro on the POS, and then write and access the cart attribute into the discount using SupaEasy. But let's take a look on how it works and how to do it. So first thing first, we need to sync the POS where we want our function, our discount to run into AttributePro. To do this, open the POS app and then open the tile extension of AttributePro on the POS. Here, you need to click on Sync this POS device. Perfect. And now the POS will appear into our AttributePro app. Perfect. As you can see, the device is correctly synced. And now we can open it. And we can enable, for example, the location ID to be set as a cart attribute on the POS. Hit on Save, then close the tile, reopen it again to load the data. As you can see, now they are in sync. And you can manage the settings only from the AttributePro app on your Shopify store. Perfect. So now let's say that let's try to add something to our cart. For example, this shirt right here. And let's take a look now at let's sync the cart attributes only the first time, and let's see that we have a cart attribute set like this value right here. Perfect. So now into SupaEasy, we need to create a custom function that will check if the cart has a specific attribute that will be only on the POS. So POS discount, type of order. We'll say if cart has attribute that is like AP, location, ID, like this, does match one off, and then the ID of the location for our POS. I will tell you, yeah, we can retrieve it clicking on point of sale, location. You can use many settings, but for this tutorial, we will use the location. So the location ID is the last part of the URL address bar, okay? And so not this value right here, but this value right here. And we want to apply a discount of, let's say, 10% off on POS. This could be a stackable discount. And let me just double check. Perfect. Now this automatic discount is running, but as you can verify, it's not working on the... Let's refresh the cart. Perfect. As you can see, no order discount is running right here. So on the store, this discount that we created into SupaEasy is not working. But let's check again on the POS. So open again AttributePro, verify that the location ID is exactly as the one that we set into SupaEasy. Click to view the cart attributes, and now let's see, let's try to add something else to our cart. Home page. As you can see, we have the discount running only on the POS because we have the cart attribute set by AttributePro on the POS. So we just explained how to create custom functions, discount functions that run only on the POS, thanks to AttributePro. that set a specific cart attribute only on the POS, and then we retrieve the cart attribute into SupaEasy and filter the discount to apply only on cards that have the specific attribute set. So let us know if everything is clear to you and if you want to see something else covered in the next video. Thank you very much.